So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be trying to find a leak in the Georgie's exhaust. So I've just covered up the end, so I hope that'll cover up most of it and then I'll be able to tell where it's leaking out of. So I'm just going to start it now and we'll see if the exhaust gets locked off and we can hear where the leaks are coming from. Make sure it's at neutral. That didn't work very well. So now all I've done is doubled up the rubber band, looped it around twice. So hopefully it'll stay on this time. So here we go. Somewhat working. I'll get on the car and see if we can hear anything. Oh. I think our culprit's up here. Oh, there she is, right there. Nice little hole right there. So we'll have to take the exhaust off and weld that up. But I can't weld, so I'll probably have to get Quinlan to do that. I think that's all the leaks I can hear, but other than that, it sounds pretty good under here. So here we have it, pulled out. I couldn't get the cat off because of these bolts. They didn't have enough space to, so I'll get them while they're out of the car. And as you can see, I have a fair few culprits. This is the main one here, but coming along here, it's got one, two, a couple more that look like they're going to come through. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 holes is coming out of, and go to mine, and no holes, but looks like someone's already done some sort of patch job here. I think that is a patch job, but no holes here. Looks like it might rust through eventually, but right now there's no holes, so we'll be putting that one in. So need to put the cat from there onto here. So I just got the cat from Georgette setup back onto my midsection, and that was a bit of a struggle because let me find one. These bolts had snapped just because they're so old, and so I had to put some ones on for my old cat, which is a bashed out cat, as you guys can see. Hollow, but enough of that. Too much raspiness, so we have a full cat on there. It's all legal. Yeah, now we just got to put this on and see how it's here, and hear how it sounds. So once again, ran into another problem, and as you can see, this one is much longer than this one. This is Georgette's original Civic exhaust here, but it's the exact same as this one here. This one is off the Integra, just there. So luckily I had this laying around and it seems to match up with everything on there. So instead, I'm just going to bolt up the Integra exhaust. And yeah, because it doesn't have any leaks and it's been pretty good. It does seem to be like a thinner size than that one. But that doesn't matter. It sounded pretty good when it was on the Integra, and it has this nice hot dog muffler instead of this big old resonator thingy. So yeah, we're gonna put this one on instead of that one because it's a bit scary, because this one is starting to rub on the fuel tank and that's a big no-no. Yeah, so we're gonna put this one on and hopefully we'll be done. So once again, problems after problems. We're now having fitment issues at the back here, where it's just not long enough. So if I have the tip there, the hangers are going to be back here, but they need to be up here. So I'm getting a bit frustrated, and I didn't think I had found any answers, but luckily Quinlan has been nice enough to come around and offer to just weld up the holes in this one. So we're counting on him to do that, and then yeah, probably just have to slap the cat back on this one and she'll be good to go. So just so you guys have a good view, can't believe I didn't see it before, but You can see it's all pretty much the same until it comes to this end, and you can obviously see how much longer the other exhaust is, which is a bit weird. But so this is from a 97, this is from a 2000 Civic. It's weird because they're both EK hatches, but yeah, just different. It's weird that they would do that. A bit of stuff around, but oh well, what can you do? So as you can see, they all look very fucking similar. And this is the Integra one. This is the Georgie's exhaust. See, they all look very similar, but as you can see, the Integra one comes just short. So that's why I've been having fitment issues, whether it be the front or the back. So our best hope is hoping that Quinlan can fix this one up. And they're here. I wonder if it'll pull, like, you can see our outlines in the flash.
I like it open the house. Oh, how much of
So we finally got it done. What we had to do was Quinlan tried welding it, but he only had a stick welder, so it was just blowing holes through the exhaust. So what we've done is used the exhaust from my old Civic, but she's having to run the straight through cat. So it might be a bit raspy, but it doesn't have any holes in it, so let's see how it sounds.
It's cold.
Hang on. Okay, start her up. Turn on your pockets. Bingo. But luckily underneath, can't hear any leaks. Alright. Can I get a rev, please? It pops.
You good?
Jesus Christ.
Oh,
Smokes.
gross. Whew. Go. Oh, never mind. Bye.
Bye, Quinlan.
The bees!
They're back.
I don't want them back. Unnecessary.
It's pop.
Oh, sorry.
get more honey.
Because you broke its beehive.
Yes. Where'd the honey come?
Jesus!
Hop.
Is that okay?
Wow. Yeah, just so no.
Okay. Greenland's right behind us. Jesus.
It pops now.
It's popped before.
But it like pops all the time now.
Unnecessary.
Oh dear Lord.
Oh, that was unnecessary.
This whole car is unnecessary, but it's happening.
My car is necessary.
All these
That's not necessary.
what?
That.
Yeah, I want to get.
Oh, that smells bad.
That's Quinlan's car.
Oh.
God damn. It's a lot of smoke, boy.
Oh. Bye.
It actually sounds better now while we're just driving because there's no holes.
Yeah, you can barely hear it.
Yeah,
It's nice.
you did a good job.
You did do a good job. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
At least the leak's gone.
It feels smoother too now.
It looks smoother. John.
Are we in Japan?
Can we park in the front? Park in the front. Thank you. Thank you. Do you want me to stop?
Huh?
Do you want me to stop? Well, you want to sign off? Where's my light? Signing off.
Signing off. Bye, Georgette. That's fucking lit.
Back in the day, when he's had it straight.
Alright.